Hi everyone, in front of me I've got KODAK K12 and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and before we will start, actually make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. So make sure that you're connected with the Wi-Fi and then open the settings. In this left section, scroll all the way down to find About Tablet and scroll down to find System Update. And now all we have to do is to tap on Check for Updates and wait until your device will find the updates. And basically you can meet two different scenarios here. This is the first one where your software is up to date and there's nothing to download. You will receive specific information. And the second one is where your device will actually find the update. It will show you the information about it, what has been fixed, what has been added, and then you will be able to tap on download or install and apply the update. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.